Good morning, children. Welcome to today's Zoom lesson. Today we are going to learn Unit 7, Lesson 2, adding and subtracting tens to and from a two-digit number. So, objectives of the lesson is relate counting on or back in tens to finding 10 more less than 10 more or 10 less than any two-digit number and then to adding and subtracting other multiples of 10. Example 75 minus 30. Strategies we are using. You can use 100 square, fingers or even mental calculation strategies to add or subtract tens to and from a two-digit number. Okay. Do you remember adding and subtracting using 100 square? Please help me to find this. I have to add the numbers 24 and 20. How you will add you adding these numbers using number square? So we have to add 20 to 24. So after 24, you have to count 20 numbers forward. So you will get the answer. Okay. You can count with me also after 24, 20 numbers forward. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Okay. So you can do like this also because you have to add a 20. So you can keep your finger on 24, count 20 from 25. Okay, so you will get the answer 44. Okay, so we use 100 square to count on 20 in tens to find the answer. Now we are going to see how to do this addition using the 100 square, because for counting 20 or if you are getting more than bigger than number than 20, you have to add too much. So why we are doing the addition using the number square? To make our addition easy. Okay, let us see. You have to add 24 and 20. How you will do? We have already learned in previous lesson. For adding using the number square, you have to add a multiple of 10 to a number count down in tens. That means we move down the number of columns. Okay, so count the tens to find what has been added to 24 to make it 44. Okay, so thus 24 plus 20, you will get 44. Okay, children. So, how you will do using the number square? You have to check how many tens are there in 20. 20 is having two tens. That means you keep your finger on number 24 in the number square. Jump 2 times downwards. So if you are jumping one time, you will reach 34. Again one more jump, you will reach 44. So the final answer will be 44. So from 24, you have to jump two times downwards. Okay, got it? Very good. Now, look at this girl. Her name is Anna. Help Anna to get her candy. She wanted to solve 81 minus 40. Now we are going to do this subtraction using the number square. We have already learned in previous lesson, for doing subtraction using the number square, you have to jump upwards. Okay? So if you are subtracting 10, you have to jump one time upward. Here, Sarah, Anna wanted to subtract 40 from 81. 40 is having how many tens, children? 4 tens. That means Anna wanted to jump 4 times upwards. So if you are doing one jump, she will reach 71 upward. Again, one more jump upward, she will be 61, then 51, and at the last, she will reach 41. So she made 4 jumps. So the answer, so the answer is 41. So to subtract a multiple of 10 from a number, count back in tens. We go up the number of columns. So the final answer will be 81 minus 40 is 41. Now, Sam forgot his number square. Can you help him to solve this? How to add or subtract tens without a number square or 100 square? You have to add 35 and 30. We don't have a number square to add. Now what we are going to do? We are going to add using your hands. In your hands, as in the picture, each finger represents a 10. Now look at the finger. 10. The next finger will be 20. Next finger will be 30. Then 40. And the last it is 50. Now look at the question. You have to add 35 plus 30. That means here we have to add 30. So we need only 3 fingers. So how you will do? We will count. Now we start from 35 and count in tens. So 35, you will get 45 plus 10 will be 55 plus 10 it will be 65. So the final answer will be 65. Now assessment of learning. Question number 1 is 72 minus 50. The options are 32, 22 and 92. Okay, you can see the number square on the screen. You have to subtract 50 from 72. 50 is having how many tens? 5 tens. You are doing subtraction. That means you have to jump 5 times upwards. So the answer will be 22. Now one more question. 10 plus 40. Three numbers are given, three answers are given 70, 40 and 50. How you will do it? You have to check. You have to add 40 plus 10. So find out 10 in the number line. 40 is having 4 tens. You are doing addition. For doing addition of tens in the number square, you have to do jump downwards. 40 is having 4 tens. That means you have to jump 4 times downwards. So the answer will be 50. Okay. Now children, the summary of the lesson is we can add and subtract multiples of 10 to and from a 2-digit number. So homework time. Your homework is do Maths Workbook page number 46. Challenge 1. Add and subtract multiples of 10 to 1 from a 2-digit number. Challenge 2. Use your 100 square to solve these problems. Thank you and have a nice day.